Sharks, Zaman and Nanas were having a lovely day out after months of lockdown when who comes out but Carl the idiot on a jog, coughing everywhere, going and Sharks and Zaman said, "Oi, cover your mouth, I don't want your germs." And Nana said, "Yeah, you're gonna make us bully, you silly pooper head. Wear a mask, you're gonna give us COVID." And Carl the idiot went, "What are you gonna do about it? I'll cough anywhere I like, ha ha." And Nana said, "Ooh," and he blasted him, and he went, "I deserve this, I'll see you in hell." And Sharks and Zaman said, "If you don't like being coughed on, why don't you subscribe to Sharks and Zaman Comic on YouTube for more?" Ooh, ah.